lovelies, Jenna and Caitlin here with Fleur Bee.
And we're here to tell you about our fabulous Crème de la Crème Moisturizing Face Cream.
Ooh la la!
Oui, mademoiselle, please stick around to the end of the video.
Huh?
If you stick around to the end of the video, we've got a little surprise for you.
Now we know that most of you are already using a moisturizer since it's a most basic part of any skincare routine, but what we want to talk about today is why do we need it?
Well, basically, what a moisturizer does is helps to replenish the water content that's lost throughout the day from every day-to-day activities and environmental exposures.
Late night cocktails, anyone?
We promise we won't tell.
This loss of moisture can lead to long-term issues like less elasticity, fine lines, and other signs of premature aging.
Our face cream helps to replenish the moisture to your skin with natural ingredients that mimic the skin's own lubricants. It also helps provide a protective barrier onto your skin that helps retain that water in there, and it boosts skin quality with the antioxidants that we've included.
So what's in Crème de la Crème that makes it so fabulous?
Well, let's start with what is not in our face cream. All right, you won't find any parabens, no sulfates, no artificial fragrances, or animal byproducts. Our face cream is also 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Woo! Woo!
We did include some incredible natural moisturizers.
The first of which is aloe, and aloe is this super nutrient-rich plant that has vitamins A, vitamins B, C, D, and E. It also has fabulous minerals, magnesium, potassium, and zinc, and aloe will help soothe irritated skin. It provides moisture, and it removes buildup from the surface of your skin.
Next is glycerin, which is a plant-based humectant.
What?
A humectant is basically just something that attracts water and keeps it within your skin where it belongs.
Ah, plus vous en savez.
What is that?
Ah, it means the more you know in French.
Oh, people en français.
Moving on. All right, we've also included some amazing botanical extras like vitamin C, which can help rejuvenate the skin and fight those common signs of aging.
We also included some botanical antioxidants like acai, pomegranate, and green tea.
So who's Crème de la Crème good for?
Well, it's good for everyone, but it's especially great for anyone who has sensitive or oily skin.
What's amazing about our face cream is that it has a creamy texture that goes on smooth, and it absorbs really quickly, so you can apply it or you can use your makeup right after applying it.
And another great thing about this cream is that there's really no scent to it. So if you, there's not a whole lot there. So even if you have a sensitive nose, it's not gonna bother you.
All right, so how would you go about integrating this into your routine?
So it's super easy. You want to use some sort of face cream or moisturizer every time you wash your face. That's usually in the morning or at night.
So all you need to do is once you've cleansed your skin and used a toner or a serum, just apply Crème de la Crème to your face in a circular motion like this.
And how long does this jar of Crème de la Crème last for?
Well, this jar contains about 1.5 ounces of product, which is enough to last you 1 to 2 months if you're using it twice a day.
And why do we want to buy Crème de la Crème face cream?
Let me tell ya. All right, so first and foremost, we use amazing natural moisturizers like aloe and glycerin, which can help just make your skin silky smooth and soft and hydrated.
Yes, indeed. Second, we've included vitamin C, which helps to fight the signs of aging.
Third, we haven't included any parabens, sulfates, or artificial fragrances, and the product is cruelty-free and 100% vegan.
And four, Fleur Bee donates 1% of proceeds to charity to help provide menstrual care and education to young girls in need.
All right, so where can you go nab yourself some of this Crème de la Crème face cream, and how much is it gonna cost you?
So, just go to fleurbee.com. And this jar will only cost you 24 doll hairs. Or some people like to say dollars.
All right, and don't worry, we didn't forget. We promised you a little something something at the end of the video, and all you need to do is when you're buying your product, just enter code YouTube to get 25% off.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more fabulous beauty tips. Bye for now.
Au revoir.